It is not often you find a compact heater that packs a punch and is big enough to heat up your space. That is until the Mo Instant LED Portable Heater with 2000 watts arrived just in time for winter. The Mo Instant LED Portable Heater is sold by Solenco, who sells a wide range of innovative and minimalistic products such as air purifiers, dehumidifiers, fans, floor care products, heaters and more. Let's take a closer look at the heater to find out if it is the perfect heater for this winter. Setting up the Mo Instant LED Portable Heater from the box is really simple. Once removed from the box, simply attach the aluminium feet modules and then the aluminium feet bars. Flip the heater over and you are ready to plug it in. Starting with the design, which gets its design cues from Scandinavia, the unit comes in a sleek and modern finish so that it can seamlessly fit into any decor. The unit has white gloss steel front panels with a black plastic center which houses the controls, the LED display screen, the power cable, air vents and the carry handles. It kind of reminds me of an Oreo or a Sony PlayStation with its sleek design. The unit sits on aluminium feet to ensure that it is sturdy. Since heaters aren't left in one place and need to be moved around and packed away when not in use, the unit only weighs 4.4 kgs, so anyone in the family can easily move it around. Though it looks so good you may want to leave it on display all year round. Now for the main purpose of the heater, heating up your space. With up to 2000 watts of heating power and the efficient wire heating element, you can heat up your room really quickly. Sitting next to the heater as it gets cold in Cape Town, I found within a few minutes I was nice and snug. There are 3 heat settings that you can choose from: 750 watts, 1250 watts and 2000 watts for versatile heating options. Thanks to the lower watt settings, you can run the heater off a home battery such as a battery backup system or a solar solution. You can also use the heater on your home inverter depending on your setup and other usage. 750 watts is equivalent to a solar friendly fridge and 2000 watts is equivalent to a hairdryer. To get precise temperature management, the user-friendly controls let you dial in the right temperature thanks to the electronic thermostat and the LED display. There is also an integrated fan which enhances the distribution of heat to heat up your room faster. Once the temperature is reached, the heater will go into sleep mode until the temperature drops below the set temperature, and then the heater will turn on again to warm up your space. Using the heater is really self-explanatory. Simply turn it on by pressing the power button and then adjust the temperature that you would like to have in your space using the temperature dial. You can set the heating power depending on your needs by pressing the temperature dial to cycle through the 3 heat settings. You can also turn on the fan to warm up your room faster. The LED display makes it really easy to see the temperature that you're heating your room at. And the physical buttons make operating the heater really simple. I like that it turns off when the temperature is reached and turns back on only when the temperature drops below your desired temperature level. This is a nice way to save electricity and also use less watts if you're running the heater via an external power source. The Mo Instant LED portable heater is equipped with a tip over switch, so the unit will switch off if it detects that it has been tipped over. You also get overheat protection for further safety. You can pick up the Mo Instant LED portable heater for 2,999 Rand via the Solenco.co.za website or at leading retailers such as At Home, Hershey's, Macro, Takealot, Clicks, Borders Wales and Yappy Shoppers also have the option to split their purchase in up to 3 interest and fee-free installments when purchasing through Solenco.co.za. The heater also comes with a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. So the Mo Instant LED portable heater is the perfect heater to keep next to your bed or couch or both, since it is compact, good looking, quick at heating and super easy to move around. This is a must-have heater this winter in South Africa. Click the link in the description for more information.